Hey, what's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here with a quick video on Affiliate Mentor Review. Thank you so much for being on this video, and please like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell notifications for future videos about Affiliate Mentor. And I'm actually the top affiliate in the program right now, and the reason I got started in Affiliate Mentor is because I have over a decade, 13 years of home business, network marketing, and MLM experience, and just doing other courses and other guru programs and like e-commerce and helping local businesses and all sorts of different ways to make money online. And the reason I got started in this program is because it's very, very simple and done for you. And I'm not much of a done for you program person. I like branded funnels and building your own brand and putting effort into your business. However, there's a few features about this done for you system that really take it above the top and above every other program, because when you build the capture, when you send traffic to the system, right, the done for you system, it actually puts the leads in your get response account at the same time. So you don't have to import your CRM leads into your autoresponder anymore. And it has something called click cash, where you don't even have to make sales, and you can earn on the clicks that happen in the done for you system emails after day 15. So there's a few things about this program that I'm like, really? You made it to where I want to use the done for you system. You actually figured it out. I actually like this one. And then it's also very high quality. The owner's great. The products are great. The training's amazing. The presenters are amazing. Every Wednesday we just got off of a live with Joshua, the guy that does a lot of the training and stuff. So we love Joshua. But anyways, guys, this is a great system. I've got a lot of years in experience in affiliate marketing, and the reason I have joined this program is because of the features and benefits, the benefits of the done for you system for new people. And the most important thing is to be able to succeed as a new person. Okay, that's why I find the best programs. That's why I only promote the best programs. So click the link down below. We'll see you on the inside of Affiliate Mentor. And we just came out with some new VSL videos. So you're going to see the newest VSL video of Affiliate Mentor. And it's really, really exciting because I'll let you see why. I'll let you see why. All right, click the link down below. See you on the inside.